Melvin, he's been in the market in Low Country since 1939. I've worked for Melvin almost 26 or 27 years old. We have a lot of delicious food here. We have a pork shoulder, and we have the best cheeseburger in America, St. Louis ribs, cook it slowly. We cook the pork shoulder because it's a little bit sweeter. It's not dry at all. We cook them for 24 hours. We use hickory wood. The people in Charleston voted, and especially the chef, Emerald Lagasse. He voted the Melvin's cheeseburger is the best in the United States. We cook our vegetables freshly every morning. We get a lot of catering in Charleston. We take the food, we serve it, we clean up, and we leave. We have our own red sauce, and we have honey, and we have a hickory sauce. We use this secret recipe sauce, which is mustard based. We use it for the pork shoulder.